POTL stands for Parcel Occupied Tied Land. This term typically relates to land ownership and land use, particularly in the context of real estate and property law. However, it's not a universally recognized acronym, and its meaning can vary depending on local regulations and practices. In some regions or jurisdictions, parcel occupied tied land may refer to a piece of land that is tied to a specific property or parcel of real estate. This tie could be due to various reasons, such as zoning restrictions, land use regulations, or property boundaries. Here's a more detailed explanation of some possible interpretations. 1. Zoning and land use. In some cases, local zoning regulations may designate certain pieces of land as tied to a particular property. This means that the land cannot be developed or sold separately from the main parcel it is associated with. It's often done to ensure that the land's use is consistent with the primary property. 2. Boundary issues. Sometimes, the term may relate to boundary disputes or agreements between neighboring property owners. For example, a property owner might have an agreement with their neighbor to share or use a portion of their land for specific purposes. This would create a tied land arrangement. 3. Landlocked parcels. In some situations, a parcel of land might be tied to another parcel because it is landlocked, meaning it has no direct legal access to a public road. In such cases, it might be dependent on the adjacent property for access and utilities. 4. Easements and covenants. Tied land could also involve easements or restrictive covenants. Easements grant someone the right to use another person's land for a specific purpose, e.g., a right-of-way for access, while restrictive covenants place limitations on how a property or piece of land can be used. To fully understand the concept of POTL, or any similar term, it's crucial to consult local property laws and regulations, as well as any specific agreements or deeds associated with the land in question. Land use and property laws can vary significantly by jurisdiction, so the exact meaning and implications of POTL may differ from one place to another. If you have a specific question or concern related to POTL or tied land in a particular location, it's advisable to consult with a local real estate attorney or land use expert for precise guidance.